Relax, bruv. Welcome back to part 3 of how to overcome vaping. If you haven't seen the other 2 videos, I suggest you go back to watch them 2 first before you watch this one. So in this part, we are going to discuss quitting vaping. I want you guys to understand that we are not quitting vaping. When you label yourself as quitting something, you create a void in the ego mind that it's given up something. So you create this resistance and you create this sacrifice that you are sacrificing something. We do not want to label ourselves as quitting something, because when you say to yourself you've quit something, you're always going to have that resistance. You're always going to create that void that you've had to give up something. We need to start looking at the idea of transcending this. You're transcending the habit. You no longer need or rely on vaping. So when you transcend something, you've not given anything up. You're basically transcending the habit, the vaping, in the sense that it has no control over you. It has no control over your life. You can have people vaping around you and it has no control. It has no grip on you. So this is the difference between quitting something and transcending something. We need to make this definition clear to yourself, that you're not quitting vaping. We need to transcend this habit. So how do we transcend this habit? We start to introduce new tools into our daily lives to start overcoming this habit. And the first one I would like to discuss is cold showers. It was tough. It was tough at the beginning, but I'm probably now 10 months into cold showers and I love it. I love cold showers. It's changed my life. And I always look forward to cold showers, especially in the summer. Maybe not in the winter so much, but in the summer I look forward to these cold showers. So, introducing cold showers, what is it going to do to you? What is it going to do for you? Cold showers, you are basically, physically, you're going to increase endorphins. You're going to jump into that cold shower and it's going to give you endorphins. It's going to give you a rush of alertness. It's going to give you this buzz, this high. That's the physical aspect. There's so many more, but these are the ones I can think of at the top of my head right now. And the second is mentally. What are you doing when you go into a cold shower? You are creating this, you need willpower, because warm showers are pleasant. They're nice. They're easy. You get in and they're nice and warm and they're pleasant. Cold showers, you need willpower to get into a cold shower. So what you're doing with the implementation of cold showers, you're building this willpower inside of you every day. Jumping into this cold shower and your willpower is increasing. Willpower is a muscle. Willpower is a muscle which must be used or you lose it. So having this willpower of jumping into a cold shower every day will create this muscle. It will work this muscle. So a tip I can give you is how I started out was to have a timer on the side. So put your phone there. Don't allow yourself to think about the cold shower too much. Just put the timer there, press the button and jump straight in, because when you hit that timer, you know you need to jump into the shower. Don't allow yourself to talk yourself out of, oh, it's going to be cold, I don't want to do it, this and that. When you have that timer there, press it, jump in. And the more you do this, I still do it now, I still put the timer on, but I'm not fighting myself. I'm not fighting myself of, oh, I need to go in the cold shower, I don't want to go. It's more of I just like to time myself of having the 3-minute cold shower. But this will definitely help you at the beginning to break this, your ego mind trying to talk you out of this cold shower, and you will definitely build this willpower, and this willpower will help you in other things as well as transcending this habit of vaping. And the second one is Wim Hof breathing, breath work. When you're doing the Wim Hof breathing, you are basically creating physical changes in your body. You are activating parts of your nervous system, and you're bringing more oxygen into the body. You're boosting your immune system, you're reducing stress, you're elevating your mood. I love Wim Hof breathing. It's part of my life now. At the beginning, again, there was so much resistance, a lot of resistance towards Wim Hof. I was like, well, I can miss it today, I can miss it today. But now it's become part of my routine, and honestly, I can't see myself without it. It's a beneficial habit, let's say. It's a beneficial habit that once you implement into your life, it will never be the same again. So, Wim Hof breathing, physical changes, boost of mood, more oxygen into the body, immune response, improved sleep, and on the mental level, you're having mental clarity, you're peaceful, you're clear, you're relaxed. So I recommend you do 5 rounds of Wim Hof breathing. I'll create a separate video to how to do the Wim Hof breathing. But if you haven't watched my video about the Wim Hof breathing, then you can maybe just Google it and watch Wim Hof himself explain the Wim Hof breathing method. And the practical part to this is implementing these 2 cold showers and Wim Hof breathing on a daily basis, and you'll slowly start to incorporate this into your lifestyle, and the vaping will start to transcend. You'll start transcending this vaping habit. I promise you, the Wim Hof breathing is a habit breaker. It breaks a lot of habits. So good luck with the cold showers and the breathing, and I'll catch you in part 4.